In the realm of psychology, few figures shine as brightly as Carl Jung, a visionary thinker who dared to plunge into the depths of the human psyche and unlock the mysteries of the unconscious mind. But what makes Jung truly fascinating is not merely his groundbreaking theories, but the remarkable journey that led him there. As we embark on this journey through the life of Carl Jung, we will witness how he not only became a trailblazing psychologist, but also a beacon of light, illuminating a path to enlightenment and self-discovery for generations to come. Born on July 26, 1875, in Kesswil, Switzerland, Jung's destiny was seemingly intertwined with curiosity and exploration from the very start. As a child, he would often spend hours immersed in the rich folklore of his rural surroundings, captivating tales that ignited the flames of his imagination and laid the groundwork for his future path. Young Carl's intellectual pursuits knew no bounds as he embarked on a journey of academic excellence, studying medicine, archaeology, anthropology, and philosophy, enriching his understanding of human nature and culture. His encounters with influential figures like Friedrich Nietzsche and Arthur Schopenhauer left an indelible mark on his intellectual development. However, it was during his tenure as a psychiatric resident at the Bergholzli Hospital in Zurich that Jung encountered the enigmatic figure of Sigmund Freud, the renowned father of psychoanalysis. The meeting of these two brilliant minds would change the course of psychology forever. For years, Carl Jung and Sigmund Freud enjoyed a close professional relationship, with Jung regarding Freud as a mentor and a father figure in the realm of psychoanalysis. Their collaboration appeared to be a harmonious union of minds, working together to unravel the complexities of the human psyche. However, as their theories developed, fundamental disagreements began to emerge. Jung's interest in the spiritual and metaphysical aspects of the human experience clashed with Freud's heavy emphasis on sexual instincts and unconscious desires. The clash between the two great minds became apparent, and their professional partnership started to unravel. The decisive moment came in 1913 when Jung published his seminal work, Symbols of Transformation. In this book, Jung openly expressed his differences with Freud's views, particularly concerning the significance of the libido and the role of the unconscious in shaping human behavior. This marked the beginning of the rift between the two pioneers of psychoanalysis. The break was not merely an intellectual schism, but also a deeply emotional one. Jung's departure from Freud's inner circle caused him immense personal distress, leading to a period of intense introspection and soul-searching. Despite the rupture between them, Jung acknowledged Freud's contributions to the field and maintained respect for his work. Little did Jung know that his relentless pursuit of truth and his willingness to delve into the realms of dreams, symbols, and myths would pave the way for a transformative psychological approach known as analytical psychology. In the realm of analytical psychology, Jung emphasized the process of individuation, which he considered the primary goal of human development. Individuation involves integrating the conscious and unconscious elements of the psyche to achieve a state of wholeness. Jung developed this idea throughout his lifetime, refining it through therapeutic work and his own introspection. The process of individuation leads individuals to confront their shadow aspects, embrace repressed elements, and ultimately attain a balanced and integrated sense of self. By understanding and integrating their unconscious material, individuals embark on a journey of personal growth, self-discovery, and spiritual enlightenment. Carl Jung's unyielding determination to uncover the deepest recesses of the human soul eventually led him to unravel the secrets of the collective unconscious. According to Jung, the collective unconscious represents a reservoir of shared, universal experiences that all humans inherit. It transcends individual experiences and is composed of archetypes, which are innate symbolic images and patterns found in the human psyche. Jung developed this concept during his intense self-analysis, which he documented in The Red Book. Through his work with patients and his exploration of dreams, myths, and cultures worldwide, Jung identified archetypal symbols like the anima or animus, the shadow, and the persona. He believed that these archetypes influence human thoughts, emotions, and behaviors, shaping the themes found in religious beliefs, myths, and art. Understanding the collective unconscious and archetypes provides individuals with profound insights into their own psyche, helping them discover hidden aspects of themselves and fostering a deeper connection with the human experience. Throughout his career, Jung explored the significance of dreams as gateways to the unconscious. According to Jung, dreams are not random, but rather meaningful expressions of the psyche. He developed his approach to dream analysis by closely examining the symbols and imagery present in dreams. Jung's work on dream analysis is evident in his book, Psychology and Alchemy. He believed that dreams provide a wealth of information about an individual's psychological state, fears, desires, and unresolved conflicts. By analyzing dreams and understanding their symbolic language, individuals gain valuable insights into their emotional experiences and internal dynamics, fostering personal growth and self-awareness. Carl Jung's legacy lies in his groundbreaking contributions to the field of psychology and his profound impact on modern thought. His analytical psychology provides an alternative approach to understanding human behavior and the quest for meaning, inspiring countless individuals in their journey towards self-discovery and enlightenment. Jung's willingness to bridge the gap between the rational and the spiritual, and his exploration of the depths of the human psyche continue to influence psychology, philosophy, and spirituality to this day. According to Jung, embracing spirituality, regardless of cultural backgrounds, fosters a sense of interconnectedness with the human collective and provides profound insights into the nature of the self and the universe. By acknowledging the transcultural nature of spirituality, individuals can embark on a path of self-discovery and attain a deeper understanding of their place in the cosmic order.